What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 9 live cop. So before we get into this, I did want to say this week might be a little bit of a letdown for you guys. I know a lot of you guys come here because I spend like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on the Supreme drop, but we got a really light week this week. I think I'm only going for like 3 or 4 items. I can't remember. And there is a jersey coming out this week. It is the Polar Tech baseball jersey. I think I might pass on it, to be honest. I mean, it's a Polar Tech jersey. I could be completely wrong here, but I just don't really see this one doing well. And from at least what I can remember, I don't think they ever made a Polar Tech jersey. I just don't really know if this is going to do well. And for $138 plus tax, I don't know. I'm a little iffy. It is a pink, and usually pink, anything goes nuts for Supreme. So there could be potential there, but I don't really know if I'm going to take the risk. I do want free shipping, of course, so who knows, I might actually get one. But the main things on the list today are going to be the Supreme Hanes Thermal. Obviously in the camo colorway, I already have the black and the white one from a few years ago. I'm assuming these are the same. And I don't know if I should get the same size because they're thermal, so they fit like really tight. So I think I might just get an XL because I don't really want it to fit like that. Hopefully it fits me. We're not going to be going for the steamer because I don't really know what that is, to be honest, and I don't really need to spend $200 on that. The tiger keychain is cool, but like I said in previous videos, I have been slimming down on my Supreme collection. I know it doesn't look like that. Where I used to buy every single accessory, even if I didn't get it for resale, I'd go back and get it. I don't think that we're going to be going for this today. I just don't really like this one for me personally. And then the number one main thing that I want this week is the Supreme knotted cardigan. Oh, sorry, the texture knotted cardigan. I want that in the pink colorway. This is for the personal, so I do not care if it doesn't resell. They've been snapping on the cardigans. I got the one from last season, but I missed out on that cream one, and I'm still on the hunt for it. I believe people were calling it the Harry Styles cardigan, so I really need to get that in the personal, but the price on that is actually going crazy, so who knows, this one could resell. We're going to try to get that for the personal, and then lastly, we're going to try to get some of the New Era script beanies. I am hoping we're allowed to get more than just 2, but who really knows. Those aren't going to be for the personal, but I do want to pick up some of those as well. And I know this week is highlighted by the North Face, and I haven't said a single thing about it yet. I'm just not feeling it. I never really even go for Supreme North Face anymore. I feel like it's probably been like 5 or so years since I've gone for one. I don't know. I feel like it's a lot of money you have to put up for a little return, if any return. They're just not as good as it used to be, in my opinion at least. We're going to stay away from all the North Face stuff, just not anything that I'm interested in this week. I'd much rather have the cardigan than to get any of the North Face stuff. And I still do think the North Face stuff will probably fly off of this site. It could resell, who knows, but it's just not something I'm interested in getting. So like I said, there's really only like 3 items that we're going for. So it might be a pretty short video. But before we get into the live cop, I did want to mention, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will put a card on the screen as well as the information in the description down below. But while you're down there, make sure you follow my brand Sudden. We do have another drop this Friday, as we're trying to drop every single Friday in October, except for this week. It's just going to be a restock on our popular DBM hat, and I will put a picture on the screen. All that information will be on the screen as well as in the description down below. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you check that out. But enough talking, let's just get right into this live cop. Alright, so the screen recording is live. We actually got about 2 minutes left until the drop. I'm pretty early for once on the site, so I just want to take a look. Okay, these all did sell out. I haven't checked up, so that is good to know. I'm hopefully going to do an unboxing video on these because I'm super excited about these ones. So make sure you check that out. Rest in peace to these jerseys. I don't know, is it even going to be worth going for the Polar Tech? I just don't know. I'm just not trying to take a fat L on that, you know. It's $140 pretty much, even more after tax. So for it, I might change my mind though, who knows. Skateboards sold out. These are all, wow, the red ones sold out, but the camo and black are still there. Pretty interesting. A lot of the tees are still in stock too. Is the hat coming out today the one that matches this hat? I mean, matches the shirt, sorry. I wonder if it is. So we are going to try to get free shipping with that cardigan. The cardigans have been actually selling out fast, so before you make fun of me, just know that they do sell out pretty quickly, but I still want to try to get free shipping. I just don't really know if it's going to work out. I don't think that is going to be enough money. Yeah, I just checked my old ones and they are XL, so I think I'm just going to go for XL because I'm assuming that these fit just like the other ones, extremely tight, and I don't really want that for this specific item. All right, so we got 20 seconds left until the drop. Hopefully we can get this W. This is pretty sick too. Oh, still in stock. Wow. Yeah, I guess I could have got that. All right, 5 seconds. Here we go. And we are live. Oh, there we go. There's all the North Face stuff. Skipping that. Here we go. We're going for this in the medium. Going back. New. Going for XL. Oh, you can get 2. Is that? That's not enough shipping. Enough for free shipping. What am I doing? Should I just get it, guys? Should I just get it? Am I being crazy right now? Probably should not have done that. I probably should not have done that. It was the first thing I could think of. Man, how many bikes are there? I easily could have got the hat with that instead. No, I should not have done that. I don't think I should have did that. I should have clicked more than 2 of the thermal. I wasn't really thinking. Come on, I'm not even going for the North Face. Just let me through. Let me through. So obviously the hats are not going to sell out that fast. So I think we do got some time. And then I say this every single week. Is it even worth trying to go on my phone? I can never do anything on my phone. Yeah, so it's showing all my stuff from last week. I get it sold out. 438 was a retail on that Nupsy. I am curious to see if it sells out by the end of this video. All right, the Naughty cardigan is sold out in 2 sizes on my phone. So that's not a good sign. In the pink colorway, at least. I did not check the other ones. Polar Tech jersey is still sitting at a full size run. Who knows? Maybe I should go back and get that. Oh, we're through. We're through. We're through. We're through. All right, let's go. We got it. Now we got to go back and get the others. So we got it. We got the thing I wanted the most. So that is good. That is good. Going to new. All the North Faces are still there, but I don't got time. They're slowing me down. Slowing me down. Where? So here is the beanie. Let's get this one. I'll get a red one. And then I'm assuming that's all you can get. Oh, you can get more? That's a really cool color. I even like this color. These are all pretty sick. I'll get one orange. 200 and a half is crazy. We still need free shipping. I don't think those are going anywhere, so I do got time. Is it worth to get this also in a large just in case, or should I just stick to my XL? Full size run though, so I don't really think that's going to go anywhere. I might just stick to my XL and try to get something better. Here's the jersey. Still size it. Oh wait, was that sold out? No. Yeah, what? Should I just try to get this, guys? Who cares? You guys are here to see me spend money. No way that's all the cards. That can't be all the cards. I'm pretty sure I clicked that wrong. Wow, right through. Okay, let's go. I think we should have got that. All right, we got it. Obviously, I would have preferred the pink colorway on that, but for resale purposes, I think I should have got black. I don't know. Pink might be kind of risky, and I wanted a pink small, and it was already gone. Wow, maybe I should have listened to myself and got pink. That's actually pretty crazy. I could have been completely wrong about that jersey, guys. So if you copped, let me know in the comments down below. All the North Face is still there for the jackets. And then I think that's everything that I needed. I got the hats. We got the thermal. How many were you allowed to get? Yeah, I easily could have just got a third one of these to get the free shipping, but we still got it anyway, so I'm not that mad at myself. I kind of like the white one too, but the camo one was the one I wanted, so I'm glad I got that. Hopefully that fits. So that's gonna do it for my week 9 live cop. That was a pretty quick one, to be honest. I do apologize for that. I know the videos have been a lot longer. I don't know how long this one is, but that one just didn't seem like it was long. We did get every single thing that we wanted, so that was a huge W. We don't usually do that, but now I'm kind of starting to regret. Maybe I should have got that pink jersey. Who knows? Maybe I was wrong about that. I'm gonna have to check up next week on that so we can kind of see where that's at and see if I made a really big mistake on not getting that. Before I go, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. All the information will be on the screen and the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have been uploading a ton of videos. I pretty much upload a short every single day, so if that is something you're interested in, make sure you check all of those out. I got a ton of videos up right now. I appreciate all your guys' support. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.